Good morning all of you. Today we can start the next chapter, exponents and powers. Exponents and powers we already learned in 7th standard. Okay, what is meant by exponent of a number? So here, if x raised to n, that is in exponent form. How we form that number? Here we multiply x n times. Then we can write it as x raised to n. The x is called here base and n is the power or exponent. Okay, so if x is multiplied n times, we can write its exponents form as x raised to n. If x is multiplied only 2 times, x into x, how we can write in exponents form? X raised to, how many times we multiplied here? 2 times, so it will be x square. Okay, so any number, for any non-zero number, when we multiply with n times, then we can write it in the exponent form as x raised to n. So another number, if it is 2 multiplied 3 times, what is its exponents form? Here the base will be 2. Here which numbers we are multiplying? The number 2. So that is the base. And how many times we are multiplying? 3 times. So it is the power or exponent. So 2 cube. We can write it as 2 cube. Now in this section we want to discuss how we can express negative exponents. Okay, negative exponents. Now for that we can follow this. We know 10 square, we know that is 100. That is 10 into 10, that we know 100. Then what will be 10 raised to 1? That answer also we know, that is 10 itself. 10 raised to 1 means 10 multiplied only 1 time. So that is 10 itself. So that 10 we will get by the next, before that number is 10 square, we know that is 100. When we divide the 100 by 10, we will get that answer 10. Then next, if it is write the powers in decreasing order. First we write 2, then 1. Next, if it is the power is 0. So its answer also we know, any number with the power 0 will be 1. That also we know. So at 10 raised to 0 we will get 1. So how we can get this, which is the just before the answer is, just before the 10 raised to 1 answer we got a 10. That 10 we are dividing by 10. Its answer will be this one. Just like after 0, next integer we can write it as, when we write in descending order, next integer will be minus 1, 10 raised to minus 1. So that also we already learned, a raised to minus m equal 1 by 1 equation, we discussed exponents, laws of exponents, 1 by a raised to m. So how we got that answer, that we are discussing now. So 10 raised to minus 1. So how we can find out its answer, which is the which is the answer for 10 raised to 0, its answer is 1. So that number dividing by 100, we will get 1 by 10. Okay, 1 divided by 10 will get that. So next, if the power is minus 2, so how we will get that answer? 1 by 10, this answer we are dividing by 10. 1 by 10 divided by 10. So how we will get that answer? 1 by 10. Instead of dividing, we are multiplying. It's reciprocal, 1 by 10. So this will be 1 by 100. Okay, so 1 by 100, that we can again rearrange as 10 raised to minus 2 is equal to, instead of 100 we can write in power form 10 square. So 10 raised to minus 2 we got 1 by 10 square. So this way we can find out any number with its negative exponents. Like this, if the number is 2 raised to minus 3, what is its answer? How we can write its right hand side? 1 by 2 cube. Okay, here the power is minus, so when it's writing positive exponents, it will be its reciprocal. Write its reciprocal of 2, 1 by 2 cube. Just like 4 raised to minus 7, how we can write? 1 by 4 raised to 7. Its reciprocal will come, and also the power will be changed as its positive, 1 by 4 raised to 7. So generally we can write that also we learned in 7th standard, the equation, if for any non-zero integer a, its power, if it is negative, a raised to minus m will be equal to 1 by a raised to m. Okay, this is we already learned in exponents law. Then how we got that we can, if with this procedure we can find out with this negative power how we got this division at 1 by a raised to m. So a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. And also we know how we can write the numbers in expanded form of numbers, also we learned in lower classes. So if it is simply, if it is 25, how we write in exponents, expanded form? 2 into, 2 is in which place? Tens place. So 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Just like how we can write the greater number with the negative powers. Negative powers, how we can write in expanded form with the exponents. Okay, expand the numbers using exponents. The question is given, expand the numbers using exponents. One example you look, 165.78. How we can write its exponents, expanded form using exponents. Here also we know the place of this 5 is ones, next is tens, hundreds. So 1 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 5 into 1 plus next place is tens place. So 7 into 1 by 10 plus 8 into 1 by 100. So we want to write in exponents. So this we can write it as 1 into hundreds, we can write in exponents form as 1 10 square plus 6 into 10 raised to 1, not minus 1, 1 plus 5 into 1, otherwise we can write it as 5 into 10 raised to 0. Instead of 1 we can write it as 10 raised to 0 plus 7 into 1 by 10, how we can write in exponents form? 7 into 10 raised to minus 1 plus 8 into 10 raised to minus 2. This is the expanded form using exponents. Clear that? So this number after the decimal, we will write the numbers with the negative exponents. Okay, 7 is in tens place. So tens place we can write it as in exponents form as 10 raised to minus 1. Actually tens place in fraction form we will write 1 by 10. And 8 which is in place in hundreds place. Hundreds we will write in fraction form as 1 by 100. Then what will be its exponents form? 1 by 10 will be 10 raised to minus 1. 1 by 100 we can raise 10 raised to minus 2. Like that. It's very simple. Or we can write this exponents form very easy. And also we learned 7 laws of exponents in 7th standard. All of you just rewind that exponents law and study well and write in your notebook that laws of exponents. Okay, thank you.